Most women have difficulty purchasing blouses because they do not know the correct size. Suppose those whose size is 34, they say 36. Or those whose size is 36, they say 34. One of the main reasons for this is that we do not know how to measure ourselves properly. So today, I am presenting to you the measurement of the blouse made according to the formula of Gouranga, a designer of Gauri Shankar Pal blouse specialist. First, you need to know how to measure the band size. For that, you have to take the measurement just below the breast. Measure using the measuring tape. Measurements are usually taken in inches or centimeters, but in India, it is measured in inches, such as 32 inches, 34 inches, 36 inches, etc. Here, the size is the band size. Next, we will know how to measure chest size. In terms of chest size, you will normally get 4 inches more than the band size. If you measure the chest size, you will see that the band size is more than 4 inches. Next comes the bust size. Your bust size should be 4 inches larger than your chest size. If the chest size is 32 inches, then the normal bust size will be 32 plus 4, that is 36 inches. Next, we will see how to measure the bra cup size. To get the cup size, measure the upper part of the breast with a tape measure. You will get 4 inches more than the normal chest size. It stands for cup size B cup. If the size of the developed part of the breast is 2 or 3 inches larger than the chest size, then the cup size will be A cup, that is extra small or small cup. If the developed part of the breast is 5 inches larger than the chest size, then the cup size will be a C cup or a large cup. And if the size of the developed part of the breast is 6 inches larger than the chest size, then the cup size will be D cup or an extra large cup. At the very end, we will see the method of belly size measurement. The surface of the stomach is referred to as belly size. In case of a slimmer appearance, deducting 5 inches from the chest gives a normal belly size. For example, if the chest size is 32 inches, the slimmer belly is 32 minus 5, that is 27 inches. Here you have to remember the size of your chest is the actual size of the blouse. I hope you all understand how to measure your blouse and buy or order the right size.